stickers. Fantastic moment. First time opening this in 40 years. I say 40 because 40 is enough, maybe 50, I don't know. And I found this. This is a treasure. Also this, but we are going to use this treasure. Okay, instructions. Some of these we have already on the car. Now I would like to concentrate on these parts, these, and to follow the exact line. Perhaps we have an help, because here, I hope you can see it, there's a line, and this is the stickers line. So all I have to do is to follow with this one, the one who comes from here, to follow this line. Yes. Not so difficult, but also not so easy. We start from B. B, that is wonderful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Okay, we can find it. It is not this one. This one, perhaps. Yes. By this way from here to there. Better stay out that in, but the best is to stay perfectly on the line. By this side it's uncomfortable, so I cut. Ta-da!
This is too short.
This is from here to there. Of course, there's a piece here, but where is it? Okay, these, because this is this, and it gets up to here, and they pass over this. It's not so easy, my friends. So before attaching this, I have to attach this. So 8, 6, 10 all together. Thank you. It's a nice work. And here they don't say this, because they say C, B. There's no 8, 9, 10. I don't know why, so imprecise. Okay, let's start with the first one, the inner one. That is obviously this one. I have to check the position. And how is it? It's not like this, but it is like this. So, yes, this is very long. and wow, it's a challenge. Let's try. Yes, absolutely not perfect. Okay. Well, then. My friends, this is not so easy. This is really not so easy. But not wrong. Yes, it's not wrong. And my friend Adam in the comment told me this is not a walk in the park, and I am absolutely agree with him. Wonderful. And now this. This sticker's quality is very different from the modern one. The modern are soft, are like a little bit gummy, but these are dry, very, very thin, matte, and it's very easy to scrape them. So a great attention. In this case, when they say that better is enemy with well, you have to follow, because these are not perfect. But if you want to do better, you make a big mistake. And here we are not at the perfection, but very near. Wonderful. And it is 25 minutes I'm working, and in 25 minutes I made this. Now it left this part and this one, that is this black one. So I think it would be better to show you things not at the end, but quite at the end. Yes, this is the next. I finish the front, then I make the other front, then I go to the back. Then I have some stickers, other stickers to adjust. Perhaps this one is too high, because here there's a black, a blue band. Perhaps a blue band, I think so. This is done, and this was a challenge, but it's quite nice. Quite. Here is not perfect, but this is a racing car. If you look near at the racing car, my God, they are not like the one you see at the exhibition. Super fantastic. Anyhow, now I want to do the other one. Yes, later the rear. And the second one, a little bit better. Here there are some mistakes, and here not. This is made by a woman, not by a machine. But the stickers cover the damages on the glasses of the front lights a little bit. It's not so easy to work with old stickers. I made a great decision to put them on the car because they are growing too much. They are too much old. So now it's time. A little bit late. A little bit late. This could be tricky. Near to the end. Look at this. From behind, look at the lines. They give you the sensation of speed. Wow. Yes, of course, not because they were Italian, but Martini is one of the best sponsors. Let's finish with this and this. Then that's it. We can go to the mechanics. The last one. Le voilà. The beauty is done. Love it. Fantastic. Very happy for this. I make a good decision. Perhaps here a little bit. Okay. Stop. Finished. And also for today, my friends, I'm happy. And you too, I hope. Comment, like, subscribe. Come on. Up to the next. Ciao.